Hello everyone, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well, preparing well for your upcoming boards. Okay, so once again, welcome back to my channel, Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Sir here. Dear students, if you are finding any difficulty with the chapter surface areas and volume of your class 10 syllabus, no worries. Here is the video for you. So here we are going to complete the entire unit. Along with that, we are covering those questions which you can expect in your upcoming board exam. Already we have done part 1 and part 2. In those both the videos, we have covered the basics related to surface areas and volume. Along with that, the most important questions related to 5 marks. So this is a continuation of part 2 video. This is part 3 session. Yet if you have not watched part 1 and part 2, kindly go through it so that you will get a better clarity to solve each and every problem and also to get complete marks. Let's get started without wasting much time. That is question number 6. Dear students, observe here. The question is on the screen. That is question number 6. Already in part 2 we have covered 5 questions. Now this is question number 6. First let me read the entire question. From a wooden cylinder of height 18 cm and base diameter 7 cm, a hemisphere and a cone having the same radius as that of the cylinder are carved out as shown in the figure. If the height of the cone is 12 cm, then find the cost of painting the solid formed at the rate of rupees 2.50 per centimeter square. Now let me go ahead step by step. Let me understand what is given here. Say children, we have one wooden cylinder. Okay, as you can see, let me to redraw this figure. This is my wooden cylinder. Okay. Now, as you can see, the total height of this cylinder is given as 18 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 18 centimeter. And the diameter, what it is? This is the diameter, right? Yeah. Any shape you can take, either this side or this side. This is the complete diameter from here to here. So the diameter is 7 centimeter. Then we can consider as radius as half of diameter, that is 7 by 2. That can also be written as 3.5 centimeters. Now you can see the figure. Understood? We have one cone, we have one cylinder, we have one hemisphere. All the three diameters are same. All the three diameters are same. So we can say it is 3.5 centimeter. Then they are saying that a hemisphere and a cone having the same radius as that of the cylinder are carved out as shown in the figure. They are saying that they are carved out. What is the meaning of carved out? Observe here. I'll tell you. The meaning of carved out is, now this is my complete cylinder. Okay. This is my complete cylinder. From this complete cylinder, what I am doing? From this complete cylinder, what I am doing? I am cutting here the shape of a cone. Can you see this? I am cutting this much. I am cutting this part in the shape of a cone. Can you see this now? Let me to erase this a bit. So this is the shape of my cone. This much part I have removed. Carved out means we are removing. From the entire cylinder, this much part I have removed. Now this much surface is left out. Am I right? Now this shape has become like this. From top, I am cutting a part of a cone. How much I am cutting? The part of a cone, that is 12 centimeter of height. Can you see this in the figure they have given? Up to 12 centimeter height, I am cutting the shape of a cone from the cylinder. And along with that, what I am doing? I am cutting a hemisphere. What I am doing? I am cutting a hemisphere. This much part again I am cutting here. This much part again I am cutting here. Now this is the shape of an hemisphere. You understood? So this shows that this much area is been removed. Am I right? Can you see the green color shading? This much area is removed from the top and this much area is removed from the bottom. That much part. The top part is removed and bottom part is removed. Now the question is, if the height of the cone is 12 centimeter, if the height of the cone is 12 centimeter, Then find the cost of painting the solid. They're asking us to find the cost. In case if we want to find the cost always it is calculated based on area. Now, which are the areas are visible to us after carving out, after removing this, after removing this, which are the areas are visible? Can you see this? After carving out, which is the area is visible? We can see this V shape. It means this V shape is called as curved surface area of cone. We can see these two parallel lines. This is nothing but curved surface area of cylinder. We can see this curve. This curve is in the shape of a hemisphere. That's nothing but curved surface area of hemisphere. And in the part 1 video, I have told you, whenever we are calculating the area, we have to calculate all the parts. We have to consider all the parts. Remember this? Understood? Now shall we solve the problems? Shall we solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we can say that in case if I want to calculate the cost of the painting, how much cost is been occurred to paint this article after carving out these all things. Okay. Now I can say that the total surface area of solid is equals to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Now, what is the formula to find the curved surface area of cone? That is pi RL plus curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi R square. Now, as you can see, all the radius are same. So, we can take pi R as common. From all this stuff, we can take pi R as common. In case if you are going to take pi R as common, what is left out here? L plus 2 H of whom? Cylinder. H of cylinder plus 2 R. No, the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is, don't take 3.5.
7 by 2.
Take fraction. Take fraction so that it will be easy for you to cancel the terms. L, we don't know L, right? I have told you, whenever you don't know L, write this R, this is H and this is L. Correct? Isn't it? Now we can say here, right? L is equals to root of R square plus H square. Now what is R? 7 by 2. 7 by 2, if you want, you can write as 3.5 here. 3.5 square plus H, height of the cone is 12. That is 12 square. So the answer is 3.5 whole square. What is the answer?
7.
Calculate fast. 3.5 into 3.5.
12.25.
12.25 plus 12 square 144. So root of 144 plus 12
144. 156.25.
156.25. 156.25. Now I want to calculate the root of 156.25, right? I hope you remember this step. 156.25. What number you take here, same number you should multiply. 11 11s are 121. 12 12s are 144. 13 13s are 169. So we have to go with 12. So 12 12s are 144. 6 minus 4 2. 5 minus 4 1. This point shift this side. This 2 5 bring down. Plus which number we have multiplied? 12. 2. I mean 4 2. Am I right? 24. So minimum I said you multiply with 6. If you put 6 here, here also you should put 6. Am I right? So 246 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4 are 24 plus 3 27. 6 2 are 12 plus 4 14. So it is bit bigger than this. It's been bigger than this. So we can go with 245 into 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 4 are 20 plus 2 22. 5 2 are 10 plus 2 12. We got the answer. So can we take directly here? That is 245 into 5. 245 into 5 is 1225. Remainder is 0. So we got the straight forward value. What is the straightforward value? That is 12.5 centimeters. So this is a value. No, it is slant height. L, not area. Area means square units. Volume is cubic units. Other than that, rest everything is only units. That is centimeter. I hope you understood this calculation part.
Yes.
Am I right? Good. So can we substitute here now? This value. So what is the value of L here? Just now we found that is 12.5 plus 2 into height of cylinder. Height of cylinder. They have given 18. Isn't it? The total height of cylinder is 18. Plus 2 into radius 7 by 2. Close the bracket. Then 7 7 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are 12.5 plus 18 2s are 36. This 2 get cancelled plus 7. Then 11 into calculate 36 plus 7.
43.
36.
45.
43. 43 plus 12.
55.
55. So answer is 55.5. Multiply fast. Tell me the answer. What is the value? 11 into 55.5. Tell me the answer first.
6105. 615.
11 into 55.5. 610.5 centimeter square. So this is my total area. Am I right? Is this clear? Yeah. Now as you can see, come back to this problem now. In this problem they said that the rate is 2.50 per centimeter square. Per means 1. For 1 centimeter square, it is 2.50 rupees. For 1 centimeter square, now we can say therefore, cost of painting for 1 meter square, it is 2.50 rupees. Now how much area we got? 610. It's meter square or centimeter square? Centimeter? Yeah. So it is centimeter square. So 610 centimeter square equals how much rupees we don't know. So we can take it as x. Now cross multiply. Remember this into this is equals to this into this. Am I right? So x is equals to 2.50 into 610 divided by 1. So the value of x is, what is the answer? Into 2.50, 1526.25. Am I right? Now ultimately you can just write the conclusion that therefore cost of painting is rupees 1526.25. So this is the end of this problem. I hope you have understood this problem how to find. So whenever the area, if they ask cost, first we have to find the area. Based on the area, we have to find the cost. Clear? Yes. We'll go to the next problem. That is problem number 7. Yes, students. Observe here the next question. A solid is made by placing a cone on the top base of a cylinder and drilling out a hemisphere from the other base as shown in the figure. The radii of the cylinder, cone and hemisphere are equal. The slant height and curved surface area of the cone are 3.5 cm and 23.1 cm square respectively. If the height of the cylinder is 14 cm, then find the total volume of the solid. Now let me study step by step. We have one solid. This solid, how we have made? It is placed on a cone, placing a cone on the top of a cylinder. It means I have one cylinder. On this cylinder, I have placed one cone. On this cylinder, I have placed one cone. Now what I am doing, I am drilling out a hemisphere from the other base. On one base, I have put a cone. On the other base of a cylinder, I am drilling out a hemisphere. This much part I am removing. This is the part I am removing. Drilling means cutting. Drilling out. See, whenever you see any object is coming inside, means we are removing. If it is attached outside, means it is added. So part of the hemisphere is drilled out. Understood? Okay. The radii cone hemisphere, drilling out a hemisphere from the other base as shown in the figure. Now, the radii of the cylinder, radius of what? Cylinder, cone and hemisphere are equal. So all are equal. If you see the figure itself, we can understand all of the same size. The radius of cone, radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere all are one and the same. Now, the slant height means this L. The slant height of the cone is 3.5 centimeter and curved surface area of cone is 23.1 centimeter square. They only have given in the question the slant height value. We are not calculating. The slant height value, that is 3 L equals 3.5 centimeter, and also they have given the curved surface area of cone. In the question itself they have given. We are not finding that. So the value is 23.1 centimeter square. The curved surface area of cone is given and the slant height value is given. And also they have given the height of the cylinder. The height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Now my dear students, as you can see, they are asking us to find the total volume of the solid. We need to find the total volume. Now in case if you want to find the volume, you can see here. Observe here. Now, okay. So this much part is removed, right? If we are removing this much part means this much volume is been removed. Understood? So here how much volume is left out? If we want to calculate the total volume, we want to calculate this volume, this entire cone volume we have to find. In this entire total volume of the cone, now as you can see, earlier we had this complete cylinder. This complete cylinder was there. Now in this complete cylinder, volume, what I am doing, I am removing this much volume. This much volume I am removing. Can you see this part? This much volume is removed from the cylinder. From the cylinder, that much volume is removed. So, if you want to calculate the total volume of this solid, what we should find? Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Understood? Total volume of cone plus total volume of cylinder. In that, remove this much volume of hemisphere, so that you will be finding this much volume. Correct? The left out volume is this. This is the volume we need to find. After removing this part, this is the volume will be left out. I have to calculate this total volume. Understood? I hope you all have understood this concept in a better manner. So what is the difference between area and volume? I hope you have understood the difference between these things. Yeah, I hope you have understood, students. Yeah, before finding this total volume, one more important information is there. Okay, we have to find total volume. I agree. That is only the formula what we have to use. But before that, one thing you can notice, what is the step we have to notice here? They have given curved surface area of cone. Simply they have not given this. Something is missing. To find that missing, they have given this. What is that missing? As you can see, they have not given the radius. So the radius part is missing in this figure. To find that radius, they have given this option to calculate. We know that the curved surface area of cone is 23.1 centimeter square is given in the problem. The formula to find the curved surface area is pi RL is equals to 23.1. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 into R into the value of L is 3.5. So 3.5, if you want, you can write that as 7 by 2. 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. If you want, you can keep 3.5 itself. No worries. Anyhow, is equals to 23.1. Now we need R. So keep R as it is. That is 23.1 into 2 into 7 divided by 7 into 22. Can we write cross multiply? Keep only R this side. This 2 and 7 goes to the numerator, and this 22 and 7 will comes to denominator. Cross multiply. Clear? Now, as you can see, this 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then R is equals to left out part is 23.1 divided by 11. So that can be written as 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. Keep point as it is. Remainder is 1, 11, 11 ones are 11. So the value of R is 2.1 centimeter. The value of R is 2.1 centimeter. So we got the value of R here. Am I right? Is this clear? Yeah. Now let me continue with this step. So let me copy down this diagram here, because we need this diagram, right, to find the value. Yeah. Now we can write the total volume is equals to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. So the formula to find the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. As we can notice, we have pi r square all the sides.
Yes, sir.
Pi r square, pi r square.
Yes, sir.
So we can take pi r square as common. The left out part is 1 by 3 into h. This h is of cone.
One.
Plus h. This h is of cylinder. Minus 2 by 3 r, because in r pi is out, r square is out, only one time of r is left out. Now we can substitute the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. Radius is 2.1. Sorry, radius is 2.1. So 2.1 into 2.1, open the bracket, 1 by 3 into what is the height of cone? 3.5 centimeter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
They have given no? Yeah, absolutely wrong. That is slant height is given, not height of the cone. They have not given the height of the cone. They have given the slant height of the cone. Be careful. As you can see in this figure, they have said this is 3.5 centimeter slant height.
Yes, sir.
Now this is my normal height and this is the radius. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the formula L is equals to root of r square plus h square. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now what is L? 3.5 is equals to root. Radius is 2.1 square plus height we don't know. H square as it is. Now square root shift to the other side, it become 3.5 whole square. Square root come this side, it become whole square. Square go that side, it becomes square root. Clear? So 3.5 square is equals to 2.1 whole square. What is the value of 2.1 whole square? 2.1 into 2.1, 4.41 plus h square. Then 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 plus 4.41 come this side minus 4.41 is equals to h square. Then h square is equals to 12.25 minus 4.41, that is 7.84. 7.84. Then h is equals to root of 7.84. So h is equals to, what is the square root of 7.84? Yes, square root of 7.84. It is 2.8 centimeters. You know, right, how to find root?
Yes.
You want me to show once again?
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can see here. 7.84. Before point, what is there? 7. Which is the number? 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. We want 7. So we should go with 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. This point shift this side. This 8 4 get down. Plus multiply with 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So minimum 6, right? 46 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. But actually we want 384. Bigger number, right? So I am taking 8 now. 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6, 38. When we took 8, we got this 2.8. So that is what we calculate the value of height of a cone. Any doubts? So the height of a cone is 3 point. Height of a cone is 3.8. Sorry, 2.8 plus. What is the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 by 3 into radius is
7.
it's not 7 bit. 2.1. Radius is 2.1. Now observe here. 7 ones are 7. Don't take it as 2.1. Consider that as 21. 7 threes are 21.
Yes, sir.
So before one digit, keep a point, take 0. Understood? So left out is 22 into 0.3 into 2.1. Open the bracket. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. Does it goes?
No, sir. Yes. Yes, sir, goes, sir. 327 and then 1 we will carry on for
Ah.
18 now.
How will you calculate? 2.8 by 3.
No, sir.
देखो बेटा पॉइंट के पहले क्या है 2 है सो 3 के टेबल्स में 2 जाता नहीं जाता देन हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज 2.8 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 सी हियर आई विल गिव यू द क्लू देखो बेटा पॉइंट से पहले क्या है 2 है ये पॉइंट से पहले 2 है सो 3 के टेबल्स में 2 आता in 3 multiple will you get 2 no if you don't get 2 then you should take 0 point क्या लेना 0 point अभी 0 पॉइंट लेने से क्या हो गया ये 2 जाके अब 20 हो गया ये पॉइंट के बाद जो भी है उसको छोड़ दो खाली आप इसको खाली 2 को कंसिडर करो आफ्टर पॉइंट व्हाट इज देयर लिमिट जस्ट कंसिडर 2 खाली 2 को कैलकुलेट करो 3 के टेबल्स में 2 नहीं आता तो क्या करना है 0 पॉइंट लेना है 2 के बाद जो अभी क्या आ गया 0 आ गया अंडरस्टूड नाउ व्हाट वी कैन राइट 3 ones are 3 3 multiplied by what is 20 nearest to 20 3 6 are 18 see here if you get confused I'll give one more clue see here the easiest way I want to remove this point के बाद कितने digits हैं 1 digit after point we have 1 digit so multiply and divide by 10 if it is 1 digit multiply and divide by 10 if it is 2 digits multiply and divide by 100 3 digits after point के बाद में 3 digits हैं तो multiply and divide by 1000 so now 2.8 by 2.8 into 10 will become 28.0 that is 28 3 into 10 will become 30 now it's clear
Yes, sir.
now 30 ones are 30 in 30 tables will you get 28 we don't get so what we should do 0 point so 1 0 will come now now it is 280 so 39s are how much
270.
it is nearest to 280 so 39s are you understood now 39s are 270 no man
Yes, sir.
understood after 0.9 you got after point 1 digit you got stop so 2.8 divided by 3 is 0.9
Yes, sir. And remaining.
हाँ फिर कंटिन्यू होता बेटा अभी डिजिट जाते रहती सो यू कैन स्टॉप 0.9 plus 14 minus again 3 ones are 3 3 7s are 21 0.7 so 2 into 0.7 7 twos are 14 0.14 understood this calculation understood the calculation part understood
Yes, sir.
sorry it is 1.4 right 2 into 0.7 is 1.4 multiply and check
Yes, sir.
now 22 into 0.3 into 2.1 into add up all the values and tell me the final conclusion 0.9 plus 14 minus 1.4 so the answer is 13.5 13.5 now 22 into 0.3 into 2.1 into 13.5. So the answer is 187.11 centimeter cube. So this is the total volume of the given solid. Finally write the answer. Therefore total volume of solid equals 187.11 centimeter cube. Understood? Yeah. Let me go ahead with the next problem, that is question number 8. A carpenter prepares a wooden model by attaching a cone at one end of a cylinder and carving out a hemisphere on the other end as shown in the figure. Cone, hemisphere and cylinder have equal radius. If the total length of the model is 80 centimeter, the curved surface area of hemisphere is 1584 by 7 centimeter square and slant height of the cone is 10 centimeter, then find the volume of the model. Also, calculate the ratio of curved surface area of hemisphere to the curved surface area of cone. Let me study step by step. A carpenter, he is preparing a wooden model, means a kind of a toy. How he is making the toy a model? He is attaching a cone at one end of a cylinder. He is attaching a cone at one end of a cylinder. Now suppose this is my cylinder. This is my cylinder. At one end, he is attaching a cone. At one end, he has attached a cone. And then what is doing? And carving out a hemisphere on the other end. In the opposite side, what he did, he is carving out, means he is removing. He is removing a part or a shape in the form of a hemisphere. He is removing this part. Once if he is removing this part, as you can see, once if he is removing this part, so this much part will comes out. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This much part will be removed. This much part is removed. First condition. And you can see cone, hemisphere, cylinder. All these three have equal radius. If you see the figure, they have the same shape. So all the radiuses are equal. Okay, well and good. The total length of the model is 80 centimeter. Total length means what? Here total length means length of the cylinder plus length of the cone. This total. This total is how much? 80 centimeters. This total is 80 centimeter from here to here. In this we have height of cone plus height of cylinder. Both together. Total height. The total height of this model. If you are going to convert this model in this shape, if you are going to convert this model, understood? If you rotate this, understood? If you are going to, yeah, if you are going to rotate this model, as you can see, this is our height, right? This can we say height? The total height of the model is 80. Here length is nothing but height. The total height of the model is 80 centimeter. So let me get back to the same shape.
Same.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the question here is, okay, so the total length is given. They are not given individual height. They have not given individual length. Still we don't know what is the height of cylinder and what is the height of cone. We don't know. Now the curved surface area of hemisphere they have given. Curved surface area of hemisphere. So as you can see, the curved surface area of hemisphere is 1584. 1584 divided by 7 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of hemisphere. And also they have given the slant height of the cone. Slant height is nothing but L. So slant height is 10 centimeter, the value of L. Now in this problem they are asking two things to calculate. The first part they are asking us to find the volume of the model. They are asking us to find the volume. They are asking us to find the total volume of this model. And also they are asking us to calculate the ratio of curved surface of hemisphere to the curved surface area of cone. Ratio of what? CSA of hemisphere is to CSA of cone. This value they are asking us to calculate. This value they are asking us to calculate. I hope you have understood the given data, what is given over here. My dear students, now we can consider here, as you can see. Now let me proceed further. Now simply they have not given curved surface area of hemisphere. Am I right? Yes. You can see in the diagram, you can see in the figure, they have not given the radius. They said radiuses are equal, but they have not given the radius. Means something is there which is needed from this value of given data. What is the given data here? Curved surface area of hemisphere is equals to 1584 divided by 7. Now we know the formula of curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So the value of 2 pi r square is 1584 divided by 7. Am I right? Now 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius we don't know, r square as it is 1584 divided by 7. Am I right? Now can we cancel this 7 and this 7? Because if this 7 comes to the other side, it becomes multiply by 7. Numerator. If you cross multiply means 7 get cancelled. Directly if you want you can cancel them. Now left out is r square is equals to 1584 divided by 2 into 22 after cross multiplication. This 2 into 22 will come down. Am I right? Now as you can see the value. Shall we go with 11 tables? 11 twos are 22. 11 ones are 11. Remainder 4, 48. 11 fours are 44. Remainder 4, 11 fours are 44. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 six are 12. So r square is equals to 36. Now we can say that therefore r is equals to root of 36. Then the value of r is 6 centimeters. We got the value of radius. We got the value of radius. Am I right? Yes. Now let me go ahead to this problem. Now what they are asking us to calculate here, children? As we know that they are asking us to calculate the volume. Am I right? They are asking us to calculate what? Volume. Okay. Now, since they are asking us to calculate the value of volume. Okay. Now, as we know, this is our diagram. Correct now?
Sir.
So, this total height was 80 centimeter and slant height was 10 centimeter. That's all they have given now. Now, we got to know the radius. Now, we got to know the radius is 6 centimeters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, as you can see, if you want to find the total volume of this, first what we should take? Volume of cone. Clear? Volume of cone we want plus volume of cylinder, this total, plus volume of cylinder. In this volume of cylinder, we are removing this part. We are removing this part. Once we are removing this volume, so we can say that minus volume of hemisphere. Minus volume of hemisphere. Now we can substitute the values here. So we know that the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder pi r square h minus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can notice one thing in these given values. See here, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. So we can take pi r square as common. If you are going to take pi r square as common, left out is 1 by 3 into h. H of plus h of cylinder. minus 2 by 3 and 1 time of r. Because pi came out, r square came out, 1 time of r is remainder. Clear? Now the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 6 into 6 into 1 by 3 into what is height of cone? We don't know. They have given the slant height, not height. In that case, what you can do? Draw one right angle. Slant height they gave 10. Radius we know 6. Now we need h. Now can we write 10 square is equals to h square plus 6 square Pythagoras? Square and the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse is 10. Hypotenuse is 10. Hypotenuse square 10 square equals sum of the squares on the other two sides, that is h square plus 6 square. So 10 square is 100 is equals to h square as it is, 6 square is 36. So 100 minus 36 is equals to h square. So h square is equals to 164. Then h is equals to root of 64. Then h is equals to 8 centimeters. We got the height of what? Cone. Now what is the height of cone? 8 centimeter. Height of cone we got. Plus height of cylinder. No interesting. See children. The radius of hemisphere or the height of hemisphere both are same. Yes, sir. The radius of hemisphere and the height of hemisphere both are same. If not, we are not considering this. No, leave. It is not required. Total is 80. Yes, sir. Now we got to know the height of cone. Just now we got 8 centimeters. Yes, sir. Height of cone is 8. So this is 8. In this total 80, if you remove 8, how much is left out? 72. So height of cylinder is 72. Enough. Height of cylinder is how much? 72. Just now we got to know, no? The height of cone is 8. Since height of cone is 8 centimeter, then the height of cylinder is 72. 72 centimeters. Minus 2 by 3 into radius is 6 centimeters. Now 22 by 7 keep it as it is, into 6 keep it as it is. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, remainder 2, point 20, 3 6 are 18. Again 2, again 3 6 are 18. It continues. After point 1 digit, stop. Just now I told you. So it is 2.6 plus 72 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 into 2, 4. Any doubts? Now 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into. Now calculate 72 plus 2.6, 74.6 minus 4. 72 plus 2, 74. 74.6 minus 4. 70.6. 74 minus 4, 70. So it is 70.6. Now this 7 and 70.6 will get cancelled. We don't want that much step. Directly we can take 22 by 7 as 3.14. Better. 22 by 7 is 3.14. 6 into 6 is 36 into 70.6. Clear? 70.6 into 36 into 3.14. 7980.624. Am I right? Yes, sir. Centimeter cube. So this is our total volume of wooden solid or wooden article. What is given? So we got to know the total volume. Understood how to find the total volume of the given figure? Now along with that, they are asking what ratio of curved surface area of hemisphere. So that let me calculate separately. Curved surface area of hemisphere. The formula to find the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 6 into 6. Am I right?
Yes.
Isn't it? Now 2 into 22 by 7. Yeah. 22 by 7, we can take it as 3.14. Isn't it?
Yes.
6 into 6, that is 6. Yeah. Now can we multiply? 2 into 3.14 into 36. 226.08 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of hemisphere. And what is the another part they are asking? Curved surface area of cone. Here only let me to calculate. Curved surface area of cone is equals to pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 6. And slant height they have given L as 10. Am I right? So 3.14 into 6 tens are 60. Yes. Multiply 3.14 into 60. 3.14 into 60, that is 188.4 centimeter square. Now ultimately they are asking us here the ratio. The ratio of curved surface area of hemisphere to the curved surface area of cone. So now we can write directly curved surface area of hemisphere is to curved surface area of cone is equals to 226.08 is to 188.4. Not centimeter square, because centimeter square get cancelled in ratio. You have to keep the answer as it is. So this is the ratio. 226.08 is to 188.4.
At last, that's all. You should write that step.
Yeah, ratio means you keep in the form of ratio. Huh? We have found volume, not hemisphere. First only they gave.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
CSA of hemisphere they have given.
First.
Ah, okay. I didn't notice. Yeah, CSA of hemisphere. Yeah, 1584 divided by 7. You check. What is the answer?
226.08.
1584 divided by 7. 226.08. 226.28.
226.28.
Okay. 226.2808. Actually, we have taken 3.14 decimal. No worries. Approximate. 226 is the main answer. After point any digit, okay, well and good. Because we are taking the approximation. If you want to take that value also, what you can do, you know. See here, if you want to take that value itself, in that scenario, we can write, we know that the curved surface area of hemisphere, how much? 1584 is equals to 1584 by 7. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
They have given this. Now, what value we got here? 188.4. Now, see here. 1584 by 7 whole divided by 188.4 by 1. Convert into proportion. This is A is to B. A is to B can be written as A by B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is A and this is B. A by B answer. A is curved surface area of hemisphere. B is curved surface area of cone. A answer is 1584 by 7. Divided by B answer is 188.4. In with this, no nothing is there in denominator, means by 1. So this can be written as 1584 by 7 into 188.4 into 1. If it goes to the numerator, it becomes 1 by 188.4. Now in case if you are going to cancel this, 1584 divided by, okay,
Sir, 226.09.
188.4, again it will be a calculation for you. You have to simplify this.
Yes, sir.
1584 by 7 how much?
226.65.
226.25 into 1 by 188.4. 1 divided by 188.4 is 0.0053. 0.0053. In that case, 226.25 into 0.0053. Understood? What is the answer we are getting? We are getting the answer here 1.199. 1.199. You divide this answer. What I have given now? 226.08 divided by 188.4. Approximation you are getting 1.2 here. See, 1.19 is nothing but 1.2 approximation. Both the answers are correct. So which one will you take? Which one shall we go? First one. Okay, you can do. Not bad. You can do. But I've just found out. See, 1584 divided by 7, you calculate separately, substitute that value and write that value as it is. Enough. No need to divide. Okay. Here, you keep this value as it is, man. 1584 by 7. Okay. Don't divide. Keep it as it is. Again, you may get confused if not. Right here as it is. Okay. So directly you write here 1584 by 7. 1584 by 7 is 226 point. How much you got? 225. 25. Okay. 226.25. This answer centimeter square. So this answer 188.4. Same answer you write here. Curved surface area of hemisphere is to curved surface area of cone is equals to 226.25 is to 188.4. Enough. No need to divide. Keep the answer as it is. This answer is to this answer. Ratio form. That's it. I hope you have understood this. Yeah. Students, now we'll continue with the next problem. Number 9. As you can see, the question is here on the screen. From a solid cylinder, a hemisphere and a cone having same radius as that of the cylinder are carved out as shown in the figure. If the slant height and height of the cone are 25 centimeter and 24 centimeter respectively, then find the volume and curved surface area of the remaining solid. So here the problem is given in this form. So we have got one cylinder. Let me draw one cylinder. Okay. From a solid cylinder, a hemisphere. From one side, one hemisphere, and from one side, a cone are carved out. Are carved out. Okay. And now this is the center, isn't it? This is the center of the circle. Okay. So this angle is right angle. You always know that. So this is 25 centimeter, and this height they have given us 24 centimeter. Okay. So now this is the question. Okay. Now let me study one by one. From a solid cylinder, we have one cylinder. We have one cylinder from a solid cylinder. A hemisphere and a cone having same radius. We have one hemisphere and we have one cone having the same radius as that of the cylinder. सिलेंडर का जितना रेडियस है उतना ही हेमिस्फीयर और कोन का भी है. आर कार्व्ड आउट. कार्व्ड आउट का मतलब हम उसको उतना स्पेस हम क्या कर रहे हैं, निकाल रहे हैं सिलेंडर में से. From the cylinder we are removing that much area. How much area we are removing? We are carving one hemisphere and one cone. Okay, let me to shade this part. Can you see this? This area from the cylinder and this area from the cylinder is carved out. Clear? From the total cylinder we are removing the shaded region, the shaded part. Once if you are going to remove the shaded part, how it looks, as you can see, it looks like this. once if you are going to remove this area, the remaining part, the remaining area will appear in this form. The remaining area will appear in this form, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now this is the remaining area. Understood? Now in this, they have given some values. What they have given? Slant height and normal height of cone they have given. They have given, if this is my cone, they have given slant height as 25 centimeter and my normal height is 24 centimeter of the cone. So this value they have given, isn't it?
Yes.
Now what they are asking, find the volume and curved surface area of the remaining solid. Curved surface area. See, yeah. Now as you can see, they have given slant height value and they have given normal height value of the cone. By using this dimension, can we find the radius?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So what is the radius? We need the value of r. So I need the value of r. So can I apply Pythagoras here? So if I are going to apply Pythagoras, we can say that 25 square is equals to 24 square plus r square.
Yes, yes.
Square and the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides.
Yes.
25 square 625, 24 square 576 plus r square 625 minus 576 is equals to r square. R square is equals to
49.
49.
R
R is equals to root 49. So the value of R is 7 centimeters. Now here we got the value of R. Am I right? Is this clear?
Yes.
Now we need to find the volume. What we have to find the volume. Now how we need to find the volume? First we have to take the cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. In that we have to subtract. We have to remove volume of cone and we have to remove volume of hemisphere. Am I right?
Yes.
Understood. Now we can say therefore total volume is equals to first volume of cylinder. In volume of cylinder we are removing from the upper part volume of cone, from the lower part volume of hemisphere. Clear? Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now as we can see from all the sides pi r square, pi r square, pi r square is common. So we can take pi r square h of whom? Cylinder. Minus 1 by 3 into h of cone. Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 pi came out, r square came out, one time of r is left out. Now we can substitute these values. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into the radius is 7 into 7 r square. Height of cylinder, is they have given the height of cylinder?
No.
No?
Sir.
1 minute. They have not given the height of cylinder, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we can get the height of cylinder here. See here.
Sir.
1 minute. From here to here is the height of cone,
Yes.
24 centimeter.
Yes.
From here to here is the radius or height of the hemisphere.
Yes.
This is center, right? From here to here we call it as what? Height.
Right.
Either you can take radius or you can consider that as height. So as we know r is 7 centimeters, so height of the hemisphere is also 7. Because always the radius of hemisphere and the height of hemisphere both are same.
Yes.
Now we can get the total height of the cylinder. Now what is the total height of the cylinder?
31.
30. 24 plus 7.
31.
31 centimeters. Understood? How did we find the height of cylinder? Yeah. Now. Okay. Now what is the height of the cylinder?
7.
31. Minus 1 by 3 into height of cone?
Height of
24. isn't it? 24 centimeter minus 2 by 3 into radius 7 centimeter. 7 get cancelled. 22 into 7 into 31 minus 3 ones are 3 6 are minus 6 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Remainder 1.033 are 9. Note. Huh?
3 8 are 20.
Here, okay. 3 sevens are 21. 3 8s are 24. No, 2 into 2.3. 2.3 into 2. 6.4. I mean 4.6.
6 to 8. 6. 31 minus 8 minus.
This one minus 8. Okay. Now we can multiply. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14 plus 1. 154. Multiplied with. Calculate 31 minus 8 minus 4.6. First you calculate all the minus and then you calculate plus. Minus 8 minus 4 minus 12.6. Minus 8 minus 4.6 is minus 12.6. So 31 minus 12.6 is 18.4. Now 154 into 2833.6 centimeter cube. So this is the volume. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we got to know the total volume of what? Solid. Total volume of solid is 2833.6 centimeter cube. Now we need the area. Area means, you remember what are the areas we have here? We have this area.
Yes.
This part is what? Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. All these three areas we need to add. Clear? So they are asking us to find the curved surface area of the remaining solid. Curved surface area. Either let they ask what is the surface area or what is the curved surface area. Anyhow, we are taking curved surface area only. So curved surface area of remaining solid after removing all the parts. The leftward part is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. No substitution. Curved surface area of cone pi RL, curved surface area pi r square h, hemisphere 2 pi r square. Now we can take pi r common.
Yes.
Left out L, pi r came out h of whom?
Sir, L plus R.
Pi r square, no? Pi r we have taken. So 1 time r plus h of cylinder plus 2 pi came out 1 time of r. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now pi is 22 by 7. Radius 7 into slant height 25 plus radius 7 into height of cylinder 31 plus 2 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 22. 25 plus 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. 7 twos are 14. So 22 into 25 plus 2 17 plus 14. How much?
256.
256. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 6 11 plus 6 17. How 256 will come? Check and tell the answer properly.
Yes, sir. 256 only, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
7 plus 4
7 plus 11.
11. 11 plus 5 16. Yeah, 256.
256 into 22, 5682.
22 into 256. How much?
5682.
5632 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of remaining solid. That's it, the answer. Yeah. The next question is here on the screen. A solid toy is made by joining a right circular cone of height 12 centimeter to a hemisphere of base radius 3.5 centimeter. The toy is immersed in a cylindrical glass vessel completely filled with water as shown in the figure. If the diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter and height of the cylinder is equal to the height of the toy, then find the volume of water left in the cylinder and also find the total surface area of the toy. Look at here students. Let me study one by one step in detail. Here they said that we have a toy. It is made by joining a right circular cone of height 12 centimeter to a hemisphere of base radius 3.5 centimeter. It means that here we have a toy. So this is a cone. This is a cone. We have a right circular cone. This is called as a right circular cone. Understood? To a hemisphere. It is attached with one hemisphere. So this is attached with a hemisphere. No, this is called as my toy. This is a toy. So this toy is made by a cone and a hemisphere. And they have given the dimension. What is the dimension? The height of the cone they have given as 12 centimeter. So this height is 12 centimeter. And the hemisphere radius, remember, this is called as radius, right? Isn't it? So this radius is 3.5 centimeter. And already we know that either you take the radius of hemisphere or you take the height of hemisphere, both are same. So from this we can say that even the height of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Now we got the complete dimensions about a cone, means about a toy. How the toy is made up of? The toy is made up of a cone and one hemisphere. They have given the dimension, the height of the cone is 12 and the radius of hemisphere is 3.5. By using the radius, we can tell even the height of the hemisphere is 3.5. Now here we can say that the total height of the total height of the toy 12 plus 3, 15.5 centimeters. Any doubts? We have done the basic analysis about the step in the beginning what they have given. Now what is happening? Observe. Very interesting. Now the step what is happening now? The toy is immersed in a cylindrical glass vessel completely filled with water. It means here I have one cylinder. Here I have one cylinder. Okay. Okay. So here we have a cylinder. Let me draw clearly. Here we have a cylinder. Okay. We have one cylinder. So a cylindrical glass vessel. This cylindrical glass vessel is completely filled with water. This is completely filled with water. We have a cylindrical vessel. As you can see, this cylinder is filled with water. Oh. Now what I am doing, interesting. A toy is immersed means I am going to put this toy inside the cylinder. I am going to keep this toy where? Inside the cylinder. If the toy is immersed in a cylindrical glass vessel completely filled with water. Already the water was there in that. In that I am going to keep a toy in that. I have, no, already you know that one thing. It's a basic concept. If you take a cylindrical glass vessel, if you put the toy, how much it occupies that space, that amount of water will come out. Isn't it? आपके पास एक टब में पानी है, आप उसमें कुछ चीज रख दीजिए, तो आप कितना जो चीज आप उधर पे रखेंगे, कितना बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट उसके अंदर आप रखेंगे, उतना ऑब्जेक्ट वो कितना साइज ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है, वो कितना एरिया ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है, उतना एरिया या उतना वॉल्यूम होता जो भी स्पेस है वो क्या हो जाएगा, बाहर आ जाएगा. So that is the basic thing we can understand. Okay, anyhow, we'll understand in the later on steps. So as of now, I'm just keeping the toy inside the cylindrical vessel. Just I kept it. That's it. Now, if the diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 14 centimeter, so what is the diameter of the cylinder? 14 centimeter. If diameter is 14, then the radius will be 7 centimeter. What is the radius of cylinder? 7 centimeter. Am I right? Now, what is the radius of hemisphere? 3.5 centimeter. Please be careful. In our previous problems, everything was same. Radius of cone, radius of hemisphere, radius of cylinder, everything was same. But here it is not same. Remember? Can you see this? Here radius is 3.5. But here radius is 7 centimeter. Since diameter of the cylinder is 14, then the radius is 7 centimeter. Any doubts? Okay. Now what's happening? Let me see. So diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 14 and the height of the cylindrical no. Diameter we got to know. Diameter 14 means radius 7. Now they are telling that the height of the cylinder is equal to the height of the toy. Now what is the height of the toy? 15.5 centimeter. Am I right? Just now we have calculated here, no man.
Yes.
So the height of the toy is how much? 15.5. Then of course the height of the cylinder is also 15.5 centimeters. The height of the cylinder and the height of the toy both are equal. Both are equal. Is equal to the height of the toy. Okay. Now what we have to calculate? Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. So how to calculate how much amount of water is left in the cylinder? First we have to calculate the volume of cylinder and we have to calculate the volume of toy. From volume of cylinder, remove volume of toy. The remaining volume is the water present in the toy. Simple. You understood my point? So if you want to find the volume of water left in the cylinder, how to find? First we have to calculate the volume of cylinder. With that, subtract, remove volume of toy. Remove volume of toy. From volume of cylinder, remove volume of toy. Understood? The remaining volume of water which is left out, we will get the value of that. And also they are asking us to find the total surface area of the toy. Now what is the total surface area here of the toy? Only toy they are asking, not the entire solid. So the total surface area of the toy is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. If you are going to add these two surfaces, you will get the surface area of a toy. Clear? Understood? Keep it here. Is the concept is clear? Understood the dimensions? Understood the given figure? Good. Now, let me start solving this problem. Okay. Let me proceed. First, what they are asking us to find? Volume of water left in the cylinder, right? So to calculate that, first what we should do? First we have to find volume of cylinder. Am I right? First we have to find the volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi 22 by 7 into r square 7 into 7 height 15.5. 7 get cancelled. Tell me 22 into 7 into 15.5. 22 into 7 into 15. 2387 centimeter cube. Am I right? Clear? Now what we have to calculate? Volume of toy. Isn't it? Now to calculate the volume of toy, what we should do? Volume of cone plus, because that is attached. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. We know that volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cubed. Then can we take 1 by 3 common?
1 by 3.
Yeah. See, denominator 3, here also denominator 3. So what? If nothing is there in numerator means we have to take it as 1.
Sir, but where 2 is there? 2 is there.
I'm just taking denominator value, man. Denominator 3, denominator 3. So I took 3. 3 is in denominator. 3 is common. Nothing is there in numerator means we have to assume as 1. You understood?
Yes.
So 1 by 3 pi r square is common. 1 by 3 pi r square is common. So what is left out here? H of cone plus 2 1 time of r, because pi r square is out. Denominator 3 is out. Understood? Now 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? Radius of what? Cone. So what is the radius of cone?
7.
Radius is 3.5, right? Can you see here? We have done now in the second object. Height of the hemisphere or radius of the hemisphere 3.5. Understood? So here 3.5 into 3.5 plus into what is the height of cone? Height of cone
Sir,
r square. R into r. Yeah. Now what is height of cone? 12 plus 2 into 3.5. Close the bracket. Close the main bracket. Now see here. 7 1 is 7. 7 5 is 35. Since it was 3.5.0. Clear? Anything else can be divisible? Can we divide any other thing? No. Please don't do that mistake. Don't calculate that. Keep it as it is. I'll tell you why. 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 2 into 3.5, 7. 2 into 3.5, 7. 7 plus 12, 19. Now what you should do, see here. Very interesting. This complete 22 by 7 can be read as 3.14. Don't cancel it. Keep it as it is.
Yes, sir.
Understood? 22 by 7 is what? 3.14 into 1 minute into 3.5 into 3.5. Check. Multiply 3.5 into 3.5. 12.25 into 19. 12.25 into 19.
2.75.
Yes?
232.75.
2.75
2.75.
whole divided by 3. Whole divided by 3. Now multiply 3.14 into 232.75 what? 3.14 into 232.721.525 divided by 3. Isn't it? 721.525 divided by 3. What is the answer?
Two point five zero.
2
40.50.
240 point?
50.
Sure.
50. It's recurring the 508 signature.
No, I just want the before integer. What is the value?
240.5.
240.5. Check your answer. 721.525 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Remainder 1.
Sir, 73083.
Which one?
721. Last bit, sir.
Hmm.
3. 73083.
It's wrong.
Yes, sir.
Tell the correct value, man. What is the answer?
73083.
730? 730?
3.5.
83.5 divided by 3. Check now. What you're doing calculations, man. Excuse me. 3.14 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 19. 730.835. 730.835 divided by 3. 243.61 divided by 3. 243.61. So approximate we can take it as 244. Approximately we can take it as 244 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of toy. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to calculate? Volume of water left. Volume of water left is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. Am I right? So what is the volume of cylinder we got just now? 2387. 2387 minus 244. Check.
2143.
2143 centimeter cube. So this is the water is left. Children, this is one of the most important problem. Do not neglect this problem. The chances are high of asking in the exam. Okay. Now they have asked us to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. So we have calculated. Now also find the total surface area of the toy. Only toy they are asking, right? So total surface area of toy is equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Chord surface area of cone is pi RL. Chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Do you know L? Slant height? No, we don't know slant height. We don't know slant height. No, it's toy they are asking. Only surface area of toy. Toy means it is attached with cone with hemisphere. No, we don't know L value. Am I right? Isn't it? Now, what is the radius of cone? 3.5 centimeter. Height is 12 centimeter. Now, we have to find this slant height. That is L. So, can we write here? L equals root of 12 square plus 3.5 square is equals to root of 12 square 144 plus 3.5 square 12.25. 144 plus 12.25. We have done this calculation, no? Remember? 150, root of 156.25. What is the answer? What is the root of 156.25? 12 point? 12.5, 12.25. Sure. If we did know, man, 156.25. 12 12 the 144. 1. Keep point. 25 come down. Plus 12. 4. So 245 into 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 4 are 20 plus 2 22. 5 2 are 10. 1225. 1225. So answer is 12.5. So the slant height is 12.5 centimeters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we got the value of L, that is slant height. Okay, so you can do this kind of working in the working column.
Yes.
There only.
Yes, sir.
Now pi r is common. Pi r is common. L plus 2r. Pi is 22 by 7. R is radius. Radius is 3.5 into L 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5, close the bracket. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35.0. So 22 into 0.5 into 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5 is 7. 22 into 0.5 into 12 plus 7, 19.5. So calculate 22 into 0.5 into 19.5.
Just 4.5.
214.5. 214.5 centimeter square, since it is area. So they have asked us to find the total surface area. So total surface area of toy is equals to 214.5 centimeter square. I hope you have got the clarity how to solve such type of problems. Am I right? Yeah, children, we have left out with another 2 to 3 problems. Okay. So in case if you are going to cover these 2 to 3 problems, this number of problems that is more than sufficient to face up your 5 mark question of surface areas. Let me solve the next problem. Yeah, children. Observe here. The next question is here on the screen. A rectangular wooden block. A rectangular wooden block has length 40 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter, and height 7.5 centimeter. From this block, a cone of radius 10 centimeter is drilled out as shown in the figure. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, see here. In this question, we have a rectangular wooden block. So this is a wooden block which is in the shape of a rectangle. As you can see, this wooden block is in the shape of a cuboid. This is in the shape of a cuboid. Now, they have given the dimensions of this. What are the dimensions are given? Length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter, and height is 7.5 centimeter. They have given the dimensions, length, breadth, and height. They have given. Now, from this block, means from this wooden block, a cone, a cone. This is a cone. Okay. A cone of radius 10 centimeter is drilled. Is drilled. Drilled is nothing but we are going to remove this much space. We are removing this much surface. This much space is been removed from this wooden block. Is drilled. Drilled is nothing but removing. We are removing that much area. Understood? Concept is clear? Yes. From this wooden block, we are removing this much part. Once if you remove this much part, how it appears, how it looks, as we can see, it looks like this. So this was my complete wooden block. In this complete wooden block, what am I doing? What we are doing here? We are going to remove this much area. Can you see the shape of cone? This much area has been removed. It looks like this. This is the area is drilled out. Now the question is find the volume. Now how much volume is there? What is the volume? And also surface area of the solid. Now if you want to calculate the volume of this, very simple. Volume of cuboid minus volume of cone. From volume of cuboid, if you remove volume of cone, you will get the how much volume is left over. It's easy, right? Yes. Isn't it? Yes. So to find the volume of a block, that is rectangular block, is equals to volume of cuboid minus volume of cone. Simple. We know the formula to find the volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H, minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. So this completely different, isn't it? Yes. We can't take anything common factor here. All the dimensions are different. So what is the length here? 40. Width is 30. Height is 7.5 minus 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 and r of what? Radius. Radius of cone. Radius of what? Cone. What is the radius of cone? 10. It is r square. So 10 into 10 into h. H is what? Height. Now what is the height of the cone? That is 7.5. Where? We can take only one word only, no? Leave. Understood? Concept is clear? Huh. Now multiply 40 into 30 into 7.5. 9,000. Exact? Yes. 9,000 minus anything get cancelable here? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Point as it is. 3 fives are 15. Cancelable? Now 22 by 7 is 3.14. Into 10 is 100 into 2.5. Isn't it? Then 9,000 minus multiply 3.14 into 100 into 2.5. 785. Exact? Yes, sir. Sure? Yes, sir. No decimal? 3.14 into 100 is 314 into 2.5. Check any decimal? Sir, 3.14 into 100 into 2.5 into 2.5. 785. 785. Okay, no worries. So 9,000 minus 785. 8,215. 8,215 centimeter cube. So this is the volume. Is this clear? And along with that, what they are asking? Surface area of the remaining solid. Yes, remaining solid. So now we can say surface area of remaining solid is equals to. Now here we can't take CSA of cuboid because the entire space is visible. Have you seen a box? Yes. Now this is a cuboid. This is, if you remove this part, this is a cuboid. So this entire part is visible to me. Now see here this charger. In this charger, example, it's a cuboid. Can you see I have drilled here? Yes, sir. So this entire surface is visible. But in our earlier cases, only one V shape is visible to us. So we are taking CSA. But here entire surface is visible to me in this cuboid. So I need to take TSA, total surface area of cuboid. In this total surface area of cuboid, what I should do? I need to subtract CSA of cone. What I need to do? We need to subtract. We need to add. Surface area means we are adding. Isn't it? See here. In this total cuboid, what we are doing? In this cuboid, what we are doing? We are adding. This is my cone. So, this is my total surface area. This is my total surface area. Isn't it? Yes, sir. This is the shape, right? Yes. In this total surface area of cone, plus, can I see this V shape? Yes. V shape is visible to me. Yes. So, that is plus CSA of cone. Minus area of circle. Why area of circle minus? Because see here, in this if I am going to put a hole, inside depth we know, but outside layer is empty. अभी चार्जर का ये होल दिख रहा बेटा, अभी होल के अंदर इन डेप्थ जा को है, वो सरफेस हमें ना मिल रहा, लेकिन ऊपर गैप है, ओपन है ना स्पेस, ये क्लोज नहीं है. ऊपर का जो स्पेस है ओपन है, तो ओपन एरिया हमें नहीं यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल एक पेपर लीजिए, टेक वन पेपर, make one hole, remove that part. The outside boundary you can see, but inside that hole, small hole, we can't see. That is what it means. In this cone, we have understood. We can see this surface. Yes. We can see this surface, but what is this? It's a empty space. That is a circle. अब जब उसको ड्रिल किए, तो ऊपर का जो लेयर जो है, वो ओपन रहता है, तो ओपन हमारे को दिखता नहीं. So we have to minus. area of circle. Understood? Followed? Now, we can say that total surface area of cuboid is what? Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL plus curved surface area of cone pi RL minus area of circle pi R square. Clear? Now be careful with the steps here. 2 into what is L? 40. Width 30 plus width 30. Height 7.5 plus height 7.5 into length 40. This complete answer one side plus pi. In this, can we take pi r common? Can we take pi r common? Because area of circle and area of cone, it's remain same. If we take pi r common, what is left out? L minus 1 time of r. Now multiply 2 into 4 3 are 12, double 0. 30 into 7.5. Check 30 into 7. How much? 225. 225. 7.5 into 40. 300. Plus pi is 22 by 7. Into radius. What is the radius of cone? Radius of cone 10 centimeter, right? Into what is L? Slant height. What is the value of slant height? Do you know? We don't know slant height. So can we make one right circular cone? In this right circular cone, we know height is 7.5.
Yes.
We know radius is 10. Now we can find L. So L is equals to root of 7.5 square plus 10 square. Root of 7.5 square, how much? 56.25 plus 10 into 10, 100. That is 156.25. What is root of 156.25? 12.5. Just now we did.
Yes, sir.
See, as you try more number of sums, see, sometimes this value will get by heart. You don't need to do calculation itself. That's the beauty of maths. Okay. So, we got to know this. The value of L, that is 12.5. So, L is 12.5 minus radius is 10. Clear?
Yes.
Now, 2 into how much? 1200 plus
4,225.
1200 plus 225 plus 300.
1,725.
1725. Sure?
Yes.
Plus 22 by 7 into 10 into 12.5 minus 10, 2.5. Now 2 into 1725. 2 into 1725. 3450 plus 22 by 7 is 3.14 into 10 into 2.5. Correct? No? This entire value. Isn't it?
Yes, right.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
3450 as it is plus 3.14 into 10 into 2.5. How much? 3.14 into 10 into 2.5.
78.5.
78.5. 3450 plus 78.5.
3528.5.
35
28.5.
28.5. Approximate 3529 centimeter square. So this is the beauty of math. That is surface area of solid. So the surface area of solid is 3529 centimeter square. So this problem is also one of the most important problem. Do not forget it. So at last we have left out with two more problems. Let me continue. My dear students, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe to watch the lengthy videos. Isn't it? It's not lengthy video because whatever we cover right from the basics till the advanced level. So that our students should be benefited to score 100% results. So once again, do not forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you can find the instant updates and notifications from our end time to time. If you like this video, click the like button And do not forget to comment at the last how was this video and what video you want to make us next. And also there is option called as hide. Even you can click the hide button. Let me continue with the next question. Yes, students. Here the next question is here on the screen. As you can see, a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter. The vessel is filled with water up to the brim, and when 100 lead shots of same size are dropped in it, one fourth of the water from the vessel flows out. Find the radius and volume of each lead shot. Okay, let me study step by step. We have a vessel. So actually you can see this vessel is in the shape of a cone. This is a vessel. It's in the shape of a cone. It is made in the form of a cone. Okay. Its height is 8 centimeter. They have given the dimension. The total height of this vessel as 8 centimeter. And they have given the radius. The radius of this is 5 centimeter. The vessel dimensions they have given. Now, the vessel is filled with water. The vessel is filled with water. Up to the brim means till the top end. Till the till the up to the brim means it shows that completely it is filled with water till the neck. Okay, up to the brim. Now what is happening here? I have around 100 lead shots. As you can see, these lead shots are in the shape of a spear. Yes, these lead shots are in the shape of a spear. Now what is the quantity of them? 100. We have got 100 lead shots of the same size are dropped in it. We are going to put these lead shots in this. Once if you are going to put the lead shots in this, it will occupy some space. Once if these lead shots occupy this space, of course, if something if you drop in the water, how much amount that will occupy the space, that amount of water will comes out. How much it has the volume, what is the volume of this? The same amount of volume of water will comes out. For that they have given the hint that one fourth of the water flows out, it seems. How much water is coming out? They're indirectly they're telling that one fourth means the total quantity of the water present in this. Out of that, one fourth of the water, one fourth of the water which was present in the vessel is coming outside. It flows out. Now they're asking find the radius and volume of each lead shot. Now my dear students, it's very interesting and very simple problem to be honest. Okay, easily people can get. In case if you get this question in your exam, you are one of the luckiest student. Seriously, I'm telling. Why? Because the concept is very easy and very simple. That's the reason. Let me come to the solution part. Now, first we know, see children, uh, the volume of lead. I mean the volume of spear. Now spear is in the shape of lead shot. Spear, it is in the shape of a lead shot. Spear means circle. Lead shot means it's in the form of a circle. Circle means it's a spear. So we know the volume of a spear. So what is the formula to find the volume of a spear? 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula we have. Volume of a spear. Am I right? Yes. First. And second thing, we know the volume of a cone. Am I right? So what is the formula to find the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Clear? Yes. But here one thing is interesting. One thing is interesting. That is radius of cone is 5 centimeter. But radius of sphere is not 5 centimeter. Radius is different. You understood my point? Yes, sir. So radius of sphere is not equal to radius of cone. Both are different radius. But here we know the radius of cone, but we don't know the radius of sphere. You understood my point? Now, as you know that As we know that in this total volume, how much amount of lead shots occupy the space, the same amount of water will flows out, isn't it? How much amount of lead shots goes inside, the same amount of water will flows outside. So here we can just write here, that is volume of 100 lead shots, volume of 100 lead shots is equals to volume of water flows out. Volume of water flows out. Will you agree with this statement? Yes or no? How much amount of lead shots are going inside? The same amount of water will comes out, flows out. Now here 100 into 100. 100 is a quantity. So what is the volume of lead shot? Formula. I mean, what is the formula of lead shot? As I said, you sphere. So the formula is 4 by 3, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to. Now, volume of water flows out. How much amount of water is coming outside? Volume of water flows out from where? From cone. That is vessel. From cone. That is the shape, dimension. So how much amount of water is coming? 1/4. 1/4 of volume of cone. 1 by 4 into volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Any doubts? Did you understood? Yeah. Now interesting part. Observe here. So this pi and this pi get cancelled. This denominator 3, this denominator 3 get cancelled. Yes or no? Yes. Both in the numerators pi pi cancel. Both in denominators 3 3 get cancelled. Now what is left out here? As you can see, 100 into 4 into r cube. This radius of what? Lead shot. We don't know the radius of lead shot. Is equals to 1 by 4 as it is into r square. What is the value of r here? 5. That is radius of cone. Radius of cone is 5. So 5 into 5 into height. What is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 8 centimeters. Now as you can see, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now we need the value of r. Radius. Which radius is this? Sphere. Yes, I will write. RS means radius of sphere. Sphere is nothing but lead shot. We want RS value. Isn't it? RS or R you can write. So R square as it is, that is 5 into 5 into 2 divided by 100 into 4. Is this clear? Is this clear? That is radius of sphere. RS means radius of sphere. RS square is equals to 5 into 5 into 2 divided by 100 into 4. Now we can see here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, this 0. Again 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what is left out? 1 by 4 into 2 is 8. The left out is 2 and 4. In numerator all are 1. So 1 in 1 by 8. So now we can say that r square is equals to 1 by 8. Isn't it? I'll solve here. R is equals to root of 1 by 8. Square go to the other side, it becomes square root. So square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 8. R cube, no? Sorry. It's not r square, it is r cube. Clear? R cube. So as you can see here, r cube equals 1 by 8. Cube goes to the other side, it becomes cube root. It becomes cube root of 1 by 8. What is the meaning of cube root? Same number multiplied with same number. If you multiply 3 times, we should get that answer. Cube root of 1 is 1 because 1 if you multiply 3 times, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. Which number if you multiply 3 times, same number you get 8, 2. So R is equals to 1 by 2. That is radius of sphere. Radius of sphere. That's nothing but lead shot. Isn't it? Radius of sphere is nothing but lead shot is equals to 1 by 2. That's nothing but 0.5 centimeters, half. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. Half is nothing but 0.5 centimeters. So here we have calculated the radius. isn't it? Radius of lead shot. Each lead shot is of size 0.5 centimeters. And then they're asking us to find the volume of each lead shot. So can we write here? Volume of each lead shot. So the formula to find the volume of lead shot is in the form of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can say here that 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7. And radius, just now we got. Don't write 0.5. Huh? R cube. R cube is 1 by 8. Okay. 22 by 7 into r cube. Just now we got no r cube equals 1 by 8. Before we did. If not, you can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 8. That also 1 by 8 only. Better we write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Yes. Isn't it? Now, 4 by 3 as it is, nothing is cancelable. 22 by 7 is 3.14 into 1 by 2 into 2 into 2. That is 1 by 8. Now, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Isn't it? Are you getting children? Yes. Huh? Then cancelable with 2. 2 ones are 2. This point as it is. Remainder 1, 11. 2 fives are 10. Remainder 1, 14. 2 sevens are 14. So what's the answer? 1.57 divided by 3. See children, how to do this calculation? After point, how many digits? 2 digits. Isn't it? So 1.57 by 3 into 100 by 100. 1.57 into 100, 157. 3 into 100, 300. Isn't it? Yes. 157 divided by 300. In 300 tables, 157 goes? No. No, right? So 0 point, take 1 0. 300 into 3 is 900. 3 into 4, 1200. 3 into 5, 1500, right? So 5 is 1500. 300 into 5, 1500. So 70. Already we took point. We can take 0. We can take 2. 600. Leave. 0.52 you got. That's enough. 0.52 centimeter area, no? Or volume? Volume. Okay. Cube. So 0.52 centimeter cube. Yes. I hope you have understood this problem. Yes. Yes, children. We are reaching to the final problem of surface area and volume of class 10 final board exam revision. Okay? Good. Congrats, students. You are on the right place. Thank you. Okay. Now let me solve the last problem of this session. Yes, children. We have come to the last conclusion. As you can see, the problem here is on the screen. Two solid cones of radii equal to the base radius of the cylinder are hollowed out from it as shown in the figure. The ratio of the volumes of cones is 2:1. The diameter and height of the cylinder are 6 cm and 21 cm respectively. Find the height and volume of the cones. Also find the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after the cones are hollowed out. Yeah, observe it. So let me study step by step. We have two solid cones. We have two solid cones. As you can see, here we have one bigger cone and here we have one smaller cone. We have two solid cones. What is the condition of radii equal to the base radius of the cylinder? These two solid cones, radius is what? Same. These two solid cones, radius is same. It means that what is the radius of the cylinder? You can see the shape. Yes. As soon as you see the shape, you can easily imagine, isn't it? The radius of, excuse me, the radius of bigger cone or the radius of smaller cone or the radius of cylinder, all are one and the same. All are one and the same. Are hollowed out, understood? Are hollowed of the cylinder are hollowed out from it as shown in the figure. Now what we have done here, we have one cylinder. We have one cylinder. In this cylinder, I am going to remove these two cones. I am removing these two cones. Can you see this? This part and this part I am going to hollow. Hollow means removing from the cylinder. Yes. Already I have the cylinder. From the cylinder I am going to hollow these two parts. How I am hollowing this? In the ratio. What is the ratio of the volumes? 2 is to 1. What is the ratio?
2 is to 1.
Yeah. So they have given the ratio of the volumes means the volume of bigger cone to the volume of smaller cone ratio is 2 is to 1. The diameter and height of the cylinder are 6 centimeter and 21 centimeter. What they have given? The diameter. Can you see this?
Yes.
The diameter of the diameter is 6 centimeter, then radius is 3 centimeter, isn't it? And what is the length of the cylinder? 21 centimeter. Total length is 21 centimeter. But still we don't know what is the height of bigger cone and what is the height of smaller cone. We don't know, isn't it? Yeah. Now find the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after the cones are hollowed out. After you remove these cones, understood? What is the volume is remaining they are asking. So let me study one by one. They have given one small hint to us. The ratio of the volume of cones is 2 is to 1. Isn't it? So we can say that volume of larger cone by volume of smaller cone is equals to 2 by 1. Is equals to 2 by 1. So what's the formula to find the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square. See children, since we have two types of 1 by 3 pi r square h, no?
Yes.
Both the radius are same.
Yes.
Both the radius are same, pi r square. But here h is different. This is capital H and this I will take it as small h. Capital H for bigger height and small h for smaller height. So 1 by 3 pi r square capital H divided by 1 by 3 pi r square with smaller h. 2 by 1. Can we take?
Yes.
Yeah. So 1 by 3 get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. R square get cancelled. So capital H by small h is equals to 2 by 1. So we can say that capital H is equals to 2 times of small h. Capital H is equals to 2 times of small h. Isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it? Now, as you can see here, okay, if you add, we got this value, no? Yeah. If you add capital H with small h, you get 21 centimeter.
Yes.
Can you see the figure?
Yes. Yes.
Isn't it? Capital H plus small h. If you are going to add both the h, you get 21. Isn't it? Now, in place of capital H, can I write 2h?
Yes.
In place of capital H, I can write 2 times of small h
Yes.
plus small h is equals to 21. So 2h plus 1h, 3h is equals to 21. H is equals to 21 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. The value of h is 7 centimeter. Now we got small h value. Now we can get capital H. So capital H is 2h. So 2 into 7, 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. Now we got capital H as well as small h. That is the reason they gave the hint 2 is to 1. By using the 2 is to 1 ratio, we have got the heights. We have found the heights of both the sides. Now, what they are asking here, come to the step. They are asking find the volume of the remaining portion. How to find the volume? Volume of cylinder minus volume of bigger cone minus volume of smaller cone. Isn't it?
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
No, it's easy, no?
Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah. Now what we have to find? Volume. Now we can say that volume of remaining portion is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of larger cone minus volume is minus area means plus volume of smaller cone because I am removing the volumes. Clear? Now what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h minus what is the volume of larger cone? Cone. First of all, what is the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. But here h means capital H. Minus 1 by 3 pi r square smaller h. Now, from all the sides, can we take pi r square common?
Yes. Yes.
This is h of cylinder. Minus 1 by 3 capital H minus 1 by 3 small h. This h of coal, Hc. This is also Hc. Understood? Now, pi is 22 by 7. R of whom? Anyone. So, what is the radius? 3 centimeter. Because diameter is 6. Then radius is half of that. That is 3. 3 into 3 into height of cylinder 21 minus 1 by 3 into height of larger cone 14. Sure. Minus 1 by 3 into height of smaller cone
7, sir. 7.
height of small cone 7, height of larger cone 14. 14 and 7. So this is 7. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now 22 by 7 into 3 into 3, we keep it till the last step. If anything is getting cancelled, we cancel. If not, we multiply. Done. 21 minus 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. 2 remainder. Point 20. 3. 3 6 are 18. 4.6 minus 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Remainder 1. Point 0. 10 man. 3 threes are 9. 2.3. Isn't it? No, nothing is cancelable. Isn't it? 22 by 7 is 3.14 into 3 into 3, 9 into, calculate fast. 21 minus 4.6 minus 2.3. First you should do minus 4.6. Then you should
14.1.
14.1. Simplify the final answer. 3.14 into 9 into 14.1.
398.4. 398.4.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Check.
Yes, sir. 398.466.
3.
398.4.
398.466 centimeter cube. Check once again. 21 minus 4.6 minus 2.3, 14.1 into 9 into 3.14.
398.
Okay, fine. Done. No worries.
Sorry, 396.
It's okay. So 398.46. So that is the volume of remaining portion in the cylinder. Volume of the remaining portion in the cylinder. So it is the 398.46 centimeter cube. I hope students you all have got the complete steps how to solve surface areas and volume, how to analyze the question, how they will give the question, how we need to understand the question, how we have to format, and how we should start solving the problem. So all the stuff it's been explained here, isn't it? Yeah, wish you all the best of luck. And my dear students, the admissions are opened in our institute, Evershine Coaching Center in Tannery Road branch. If any students, if they are interested to join from class 1st to class 12th, all the boards, ICSE, IGCSE, CBSE, and even the Karnataka State Board, you can join for our regular classes. And also shortly, from April 15, 2026, we are going to start AI classes, AI Crash Course Summer Camp. Okay, in the below description, we'll give you the details. You can contact to us. Thank you. Take care. All the best. See you soon with the good results.